Nah. Hello. Where are you? Where are you? Where's our wee doggy?
Okay, you're sitting
Excuse
on
me.
my feet. Okay.
Are you getting a brush, darling? Is your mummy brushing you? Oh, yes, please. Oh, look at this. Oh, my
no,
goodness.
not this one. Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Is that nice for
Oh, you're a good girl, aren't you? Aren't you lovely?
That's not what you did.
What?
Everybody loves you. This is not what you did. Gorgeous. Her she'll probably notice that and then she's not. You're fresh.
But shy, do you think?
What if she's showing her belly? Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we go. Right over. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at all the fur.
Look at that. What's that, 2 minutes?
Probably. Okay, like I got it all off with plastic. I want to sleep in this.
Did you see the brush yesterday when I was brushing Buster?
Yeah.
I
It was
think
all over the place.
10 times. The whole brush was just bunged like that. 10 times. 10 brushes. I brushed him for 10 minutes and he still got another 5 brushes in him.
Don't bark.
They just shade continually.
Another 10.
Sally, stop banging your tail off that
We brush it
kid.
too. Look, this is actually a lot. This little one. Cause she's very short.
That's just lovely. Oh my goodness,
I
Russia.
love this
But
song.
I think that's that
They're going tweet.
Yeah, so soft.
Where's the telly's eating that?
What you got?
Oh,
Oh right, someone was sick.
she looks like nothing. I think it's soft.
Oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh my goodness.
I was doing it everywhere.
Uh-huh.
Right here, look what's all. The gnats break it out.
You keep brushing her.
I want you to be weird. And you can be I say.
Hashish, please. Show once.
Then let's smooth it up.
Stop it, you. You passed you.
She's like,
So it's Sunday today. Sunday 24th, is it?
Think so?
I think it's 24th or 25th.
I really don't know what it is.
25th it might be.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I think it's about 11:30 in the morning. And it's 25 degrees Celsius.
How many times?
25th of August 2019.
No, man, she's not taking it off me. I'm just dropping it.
Absolutely roasting it
She's
is.
too gentle. Like she goes like so I like on it and then drop it. And
Give me a go on that brush. Give me a go. I want to go. Come here,
hold the camera.
you. Yeah.
Yay!
You're swapping turns, Daddy.
Having turns? Taking turns?
You're taking turns doing this.
I see she's dropping down like that. I'm down, Daddy. I'm down.
Oh, look at her paws up.
Hello.
I'm down.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, she feels so soft. It's lovely. Oh, you're just gorgeous.
Just like this piece of fur I have in my hands.
Oh my goodness. You're absolutely lovely, aren't you? Look at your neck. And here.
So
This of your face.
She really likes you doing it.
Oh my goodness. Look at this wee girl here.
But Daddy, you see the soft part of it?
Uh-huh.
If you turn it the other way around, she really likes it on her face.
Oh, does she? Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look.
Look at her leg!
Look at the fluff come off here. Look. Look at that. You'd think you'd never been brushed.
She's like,
Every
stop
day.
it! She's like, stop it, it hurts, But like, peel it off. Will I peel it off?
What? Turn it off?
No, peel that off.
No.
Oh,
Ah, wee woman, you're lovely, aren't you?
Just going buck mad.
Oh, she's loving this.
I love the whiteness of her.
Look at this.
I'm doing a bit of the white.
Get this tail. Come and get this tail.
Oh, hello.
You want this tail?
Me. She's me.
It's just like a spinning top.
Aren't you, darling? Are you wee spinning top?
Here's spinning top.
Look at that, Emma.
On a spinning top.
Look at this. Look at. What do you say? What do you see? How
Okay, I'm just letting this fluff go. It's making me sweating. I went into their
Look at
cage.
that. Let's do that.
Who is making all that? Really bad, no. Bad boys. Who's making all that?
Wasn't it?
I sort of heard something. I heard same ear. I'm like, I was all stopped. I was like, what is it?
My name.
It's a wasp.
When you watch
Russia.
sight.
Russia. Come over to me, toy. You're spoiled rotten, Russia. I'm telling you.
Probably just
You're spoiled rotten.
make it maybe mouth organ place.
Okay, darling, you can do what you want.
I keep an eye on
Wow.
her. She runs in because I'm going to be open that door.
Okay, won't let her in. Here.
No, we'll
We
keep
racing
You
dog.
can, Emma, turn around, I clear. I say.
What do you say
Look
there?
at that,
Don't
guys.
get in.
Look at that.
I swear, don't you get in.
And then, go ahead.
Look at that. Is that good?
More already?
Look, how much does she have on her? For this little young baby, this little young girl. She has tons.
Wow.
She has tons on here.
Oh, why?
In
Look
the
at that.
Snow White part.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's Snow White. Look at her. She's like,
Do you think those other three dogs are jealous, Emma?
look, even Star. Look at Star. She's all. Look,
Star's deeply depressed. Look at that.
Snow White. Shoo, shoo.
Look at that, Megan. All the white stuff coming off her back end. Try and get her tail as well, Emma.
That scared me.
Oh,
What's that?
oh, see your
Is
head.
that a whistle? Is that a wee whistle?
Oh,
Don't worry, she wouldn't hurt you. She's wee soft.
that. You
You can't
bouncing.
even feel her when she lands on you. Do it over there and see what they do.
Okay. Right.
Buster is all
Let's
that.
just stay there with Emma and Daddy, right?
Right, I'm going to watch the heads. What do you say?
Okay, Buster is.
I have to stay nice and clean and dry.
You're lovely, aren't you?
Hello.
Aren't you just gorgeous?
I don't think it ever did.
Look at that again already.
Hello. Okay, she's going nice.
You
and
want to
gentle.
see this?
Give me that again, Emma.
Okay, just doing it one bit here.
Oh, just that. Look here for you.
No, you're not getting
There you
this. It's too chunky for you.
You'll choke on it, Russia. Come on.
So you'll choke on
It's
that
too
like
small, wee
that.
darling.
And that there. Play with your toys there.
Oh, look at our Russia. She is lovely.
So look, if you do that on her leg, she goes and then sits down.
Girl, first.
Hello.
Covered in it.
Oh, cover yourself up, Megan.
I know. Just the dog's plastic.
Look
cars.
at Russia's coat.
It looks pretty,
Oh, she's just.
because the brand new coat. Wait, she
Oh
kind of
my
looks.
goodness,
it
she
kinda makes me look
feels
like-
honestly.
Sorry.
Ah!
Tilly can't take it.
Oh dear.
But guess what?
Wow.
Honestly, she looks skinnier because like all the fur is off her.
Look at her. Oh, she's just delectable.
Hey, fur. Oh, get here. I need to get here. It looks so pretty.
We had two cats for
You're not taking this now.
over 10 years.
Stop it.
They're both gone now.
Stop it.
We love them with all of our hearts. Two lovely wee cats,
Excuse me, I said stop it.
Max and Oscar. But then, when Lindsay and I got together before we got the cats, she said, "Oh, come on, we'll get dogs. Come on, we'll get dogs." I said, "No, no, no, get cats." But honestly, now that we have these dogs, I can't say I'm sorry we got the cats because we love the wee cats. But the dogs are just fantastic.
Excuse me.
It's a different world. They're just lovely.
Fantasticals. They're beautiful.
Fantasticals.
But cats are not rough.
They're not. The wee cats just sometimes you put them out and they go away for like 4 or 5 days.
It's like they're just a hamster away.
The wee dog's always there, you see. I can remember one night, many years ago, 10 years ago, Maxie boy disappeared. It was -5 or -6.
Yeah, it I told me.
Uh-huh.
And then it's like
4 or 5 days.
And then we Oscar was all over to him, and,
Uh-huh.
and then he was just walking in the house all.
He thought he was dead. He just walked home after 5 days. Straight into the house.
I was just
Up
having
the
an
hall.
adventure.
La la la.
I'll find a girlfriend though.
Ah.
I go again tonight.
We thought he was lying froze somewhere.
And then when mommy told me that when I was a baby, I thought like I froze like a big ice cube. I froze like a big ice cube, but that can't be true.
I'm telling you.
So I'll just put it.
Now, where do you see this? I'm not telling you any lies. It's piping hot.
Wait, I see your face is all sweating.
I know. 25 degrees Celsius it is today.
Sweating.
Hmm?
Is mine all glittery? Like,
No, you're not too bad.
It's mine.
You're not too bad either. It's only me because I'm a fatty.
what?
Yeah, fatty potter.
No, you're not.
Here, hold on. I've lost a few pounds over the past couple of days.
You don't need to bite me now.
I've
Take the viewers. I'm not a snack.
I've been watching my diet. Doing a few new exercises.
Look, Buster's out. Oh yeah.
With a few pound off. Feeling good. More?
Yeah.
My goodness.
How much?
I don't know.
Like, she's not even
Back over again.
one yet.
Oh, you love this, don't you?
I told you she loves it.
Oh, you're loving it. Oh, mommy.
Oh
Oh, mommy.
yeah. You like me?
Oh, she's lovely, isn't she? You're gorgeous, aren't you?
I have to get down here.
Russia's the only one gets into the house now and again.
But here.
We had her in one night for about 2 hours. Then when she came out, these 3 dogs attacked her,
Oh yeah.
barked at her and jumped on her and everything. As if to say, who do you think you are?
She was right here. She was all, and then Tilly and Star Rock. And then she was all, no, please. I'll do anything.
Hey, darling.
I'll be sick on you.
Did they gang up on you, darling? Oh, she's so lovely. I have to feel her again.
I hope she didn't get hurt.
No, she didn't. Wouldn't hurt her. We just shoot at her.
She feels like a cloud on me, you guys.
Oh, she's so
It's
soft.
like
Look
a
at this.
fluffy, furry cloud.
Look at this.
What? No. Feel her chest.
It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, you're lovely.
Mummy, guess what?
Oh, you're lovely.
I actually think Russia's attracted to this.
Hey.
Mummy, what do you say?
Are you going to soak the dog now? Cool her down a bit?
Oh, she actually likes it.
Yo!
Hey.
Ah, watch the camera. Watch the camera.
Mummy,
Here, Leah. Where's Kirk?
what do you say?
You tell Daddy to see Kirk?
Is he out on his bike? Don't delay, you'll ruin the camera. I'm being attacked. It may be time to end the video. Where's Buster? Where's that big boy?
So today, Russia sneaked in. And now she's lying down beside Megan. I think Megan is okay with it.
She's eating lettuce.
Guys, she was so scared. She was so scared. She was all, and then she just came out.
Mummy, she actually took lettuce from me.
Eat the rest yourself, guy.
Whatever.
I'm a house rat. I'm a house rat.
Yeah, iceberg lettuce is my favorite too. Yeah. Hey. No, let's go stop.
There's like a jam here.
No.